Tell me what you wanna do, tell me what you wanna do. If I'ma keep riding for you, you gotta ride for me too. Good morning, guys. Okay, so I decided to just vlog today instead of doing just a unboxing. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today, vlogging. I just have a few errands to run today. I have 2 cake drop-offs. If you guys don't know, I do make cakes, novelty cakes, you know, with the fondant, all that good stuff. I'll insert a few pictures here. So yeah, I'm actually about to drop those off now. It is 10:52, the day after Mother's Day. Happy belated Mother's Day to all you mothers. Yeah, and then after that, I'm gonna go pick up my MacBook, and then I have a order that I need to fill, 2 orders that I need to place, and then what else do I have to do today? Oh, and then I actually have to make a couple orders like off of Amazon for my business. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. Just a bunch of moving around and working pretty much.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, can I have a medium vanilla chai, please?
Medium hot vanilla chai. Anything else?
That'll be all. Thank you.
Alright, 231.
Here you go. Thank you. The doorbell just rang. Thank you. My package is here. Another one of my packages came in today too. This is actually my what do you call these little things? My little satin bags that I'll be using to put makeup and stuff in. This came Friday, I think. I just opened it today, so I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It's here. Okay. So I feel like I did good today because I was waiting patiently, even though I checked UPS like 12 times. Look at it. Okay, so of course charger. And charging block. My gold stickers. Yeah, this literally looks rose gold, which I am a fan of. It's actually why I got the gold one, because my brand colors are rose gold, gray, and silver. Okay. And I don't feel like setting the stand up, so that's why I'm doing it with one hand. But, oh, look at this. It's so pretty. It's coming out a little bit more gold on camera than it is in person. This so I'm gonna get this set up and then yeah, come back. We're all set up now. I started making thank you cards, so I'm gonna just finish those on my laptop and then place a few orders. Alright, so back in the car. Of course, I absolutely love my MacBook. Yeah, now I'm headed home. I decided to just go back home and just finish working. Just so I can kind of get like a little bit more comfortable or whatever. Literally, like, I thought I was gonna have to wait until like 9 p.m. tonight. It is 5:35 now. I got there at like 11 maybe. I don't know. I will have to double check. But I waited a few hours before it even came. Like, I'll put the time in or whatever, but yeah, I guess like deliveries are, it's a lot more deliveries than normal. So I'm headed back to the house now. I'm actually going to be starting a new skincare routine. Well, I'm actually just going to be adding a new step into my skincare routine. So I'm like a minimalist when it comes to like skincare and like hair care. Like, I don't use a lot of like products with chemicals in it and stuff. So like I make my own like hair mask, like protein mask and stuff like that. I only use I'm natural, but I'm not that natural girl that has like a million different products. Like, I literally have like maybe 2 conditioners. I only have 1 leave-in that I use, which is like Cantu. But yeah, so basically I'm just saying, like, I'd rather go natural than chemical. So I'm gonna be making a lightening scrub, or like a lightening mask for like hyperpigmentation and stuff. I use a baking soda scrub already on my skin, and I use coconut oil and rose water to moisturize and hydrate. I do that on a regular. I actually, because I've just been kind of like back and forth, and like I just been having like a lot going on, I haven't been keeping up with my skincare routine. So I'm just about to, you know, start back doing that, because literally my face has been breaking out so bad, like so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna stop at Walmart. I think it Walmart. I'm just trying to debate because I'm an ice eater. So the gas station that I want to go to get my ice from, it isn't by Walmart. So I'm debating if I want to just go to Walmart or not. I don't know. We gonna see. Maybe I'll go to the other grocery store that's like over by the Walmart. Cause I only have to go pick up 3 things. I have to go get turmeric powder, baking soda, and then lemons. I think we may have lemons in the house, but I just want to get like extra lemons or whatever. And then I probably do have baking soda somewhere, but I don't want to go look for it. But I know I don't have any turmeric, so I'm gonna go and get that. And then yeah, and then I'm actually gonna go in the house and do some work. I'm gonna get some work done. I have to update my inventory, which I'm gonna have to do it again later this week anyways. So I'm kind of just debating on if I just want to wait or just go ahead and do it now and get it over with. Well, I'm still gonna have to update it anyway, so I don't know. I'll know once I, you know, get in and get set up and everything. cards that I did earlier. I did them on my phone actually. And I just pulled it up here on my laptop. So yeah, I'm about to order these and actually see if I can show you the back of them. So yeah, I'm about to order these, and then I got a few more things that I need to order, but first things first, I'm about to order these and then finish making my list so I can just order everything like off Amazon at one time, as opposed to like making several orders. So okay, so I pretty much did all I'm gonna do today for my website. So I'm about to eat and just chill for the rest of the night. And yeah, I'm gonna just finish this up tomorrow. Kind of debating if I'm going to upload this tonight or not. I'm gonna try. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna edit this video, upload this tonight. Then I'm gonna work on some other videos that I have. Yeah, start editing this. So yeah.
Tell me what you wanna do. Tell me what you wanna do. If I'ma keep riding for you, you gotta ride for me too.